Patrym mae Iaith Diwrnod 8. Ynys Môn 2. Sylfaen. Day 8 language patterns. Your second day on Ynys Môn uses units 20 and 21 of the Sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from these units. Rhif 1. Atebion. Yes/no answers. Sentences and questions usually start with a verb, and your answer should match the verb in terms of both tense and person. So the key is to listen carefully to the first word in the question. Ydy o'n mynd? Ydy. Nac ydy. Fyddwch chi'n mynd? Bydda. Na fydda. Basen nhw'n helpu? Basen. Na fasen. Oedd hi'n bwrw glaw? Oedd? Nac oedd. Concise past tense questions are always answered with do or naddo. Es ti allan neithiwr? Do. Naddo. Gaeth o baned o goffi? Do. Naddo. Oes questions are always answered with oes or nac oes. Oes gen ti gwestiwn? Oes. Nac oes. Emphatic or fronted questions are always answered with ia or naci. Tiwtor Cymraeg da chi? Ia? Naci. Rhif 2. Yr amodol, the conditional. Previously, we have used the conditional. This tense uses a form of bod, baswn, meaning would. Mi faswn i'n hoffi byw mewn castell. Faswn i ddim yn hoffi byw mewn castell oer. Fasa ti'n hoffi cael gweision? Here is the full pattern. Mi faswn i, mi fasa ti, mi fasa o, mi fasa hi, mi fasa ni, mi fasa chi, mi fasa nhw. Faswn i ddim, fasa ti ddim, fasa o ddim, fasa hi ddim, fasa ni ddim, fasa chi ddim, fasa nhw ddim. Faswn i, fasa ti, fasa o, fasa hi, fasa ni, fasa chi, fasa nhw. Baswn, na faswn. Baset, na faset. Basai, na fasai. Basen, na fasen. Basech, na fasech. Basen, na fasen. Very often, there is a second half to the conditional sentence, the part containing the if, the condition. Mi faswn i'n byw mewn castell taswn i'n frenin. I would live in a castle if I were a king. Notice that these two halves can go in either order. Taswn i'n frenin, mi faswn i'n byw mewn castell. If I were a king, I would live in a castle. To remember the pattern, think of the word tiff. T plus if, to remember that taswn is a conditional if. Mi faswn i'n prynu castell taswn i'n gyfoethog. I would buy a castle if I were rich. Mi fasai hi'n hoffi cael gweision tasai hi'n byw mewn castell. She would like to have servants if she lived in a castle. Here is the full pattern. Tason i, taset ti, tasai o, tasai hi, tasen ni, tasech chi, tasen nhw. Tason ni ddim, taset ti ddim, tasai o ddim, tasai hi ddim, tasen ni ddim, tasech chi ddim, tasen nhw ddim. There are other verbs that can be used in the conditional. For example, should, would like, and could. Mi ddylwn i, I should. Ddylwn i ddim, I should not. Ddylwn i, should I? Mi hoffwn i, I would like. Hoffwn i ddim, I would not like. Hoffwn i, would I like? Mi fedrwn I could. Fedrwn i ddim, I could not. Fedrwn i, could I? Notice that every verb takes the same endings. The conditional verb endings look like this. Un I, et ti, I o, I hi, en ni, ech chi, en ni.